Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your home entertainment experience? I'm here to share with you my hands-on review of the incredible Samsung 65-inch Class OLED TV. With a staggering rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars and over 183 reviews, this behemoth of a screen has captured the hearts and eyes of many. But what makes it tick? Let's dive into the fantastic features that'll make you wonder how you ever settled for anything less. First off, we have the brainchild behind Samsung's amazing picture quality. Its advanced processing powers AI-enhanced 4K clarity. In simple terms, this means that the TV uses artificial intelligence with the power of 20 neural networks to enhance your content's picture quality in real time and optimize sound for superb performance. Imagine having your favorite shows and movies look stunningly sharp and vibrant on your TV. That's what you get with this feature. But how does it do it? Well, when you stream 4K content, which is becoming increasingly more common, the AI processor kicks in and uses those 20 neural networks to upscale the image to a whopping 4K resolution. The result is a picture so smooth and clear that you'll feel like you're right there in the action. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't 4K just about resolution? Not quite. Dynamic brightness and contrasts are another game changer for this TV. With the NQ4 AI Gen 2 processor analyzing each scene, it improves brightness to reveal hidden details that would otherwise go unnoticed. It's like having a master artist painting your picture with bold brushstrokes of color and depth. But what about color accuracy? That's where Samsung's expert-validated colors come in. Partnering with Pantone, the experts behind the iconic color palette, ensure that skin tones are accurately depicted on screen, creating a vibrant and true-to-life picture that'll transport you to another world. And let's not forget the design: sleek lines, smooth curves, and a harmonious blend of style and sophistication. The Samsung 65-inch Class OLED TV looks stunning in any room, whether it's your living space or home office. Plus, with its slim bezel and self-illuminating pixels, you can enjoy an immersive viewing experience without any distractions. Last but not least, the top-firing speakers bring multi-dimensional audio to the party. Imagine being fully immersed in your favorite shows and movies. It's a whole new level of entertainment. So there you have it, a TV that will revolutionize your home entertainment experience. Whether you're a movie buff, gamer, or simply someone who loves to unwind after a long day, this Samsung 65-inch Class OLED TV is sure to impress. Ready to elevate your viewing experience? Head on over to the link below for the best price and get ready to immerse yourself in a whole new world of color, sound, and cinematic brilliance.